So in this video, we're going to have a look at our startup procedure on our Mimaki UCJV330 Series printer. So at the moment, as we can see, it is off on the screen over here. However, we're on at the plug down here, and we're also on at the mains at the back of the machine. Now we need to ensure that the machine is always on at that plug and it's always on at the side. It will clean, it will wake up, it will do cleans. Now if it doesn't do those cleans, basically you're going to have issues with the print quality and the test prints on the machine. So I know that it's on there, I know it's on the wall, so I'm going to go over to my screen here. I'm going to press my end/power button. Now it might not do something straight away. There you go, it's now booted into live. So now it's booting up on the screen. It's going to show us our model number and also our firmware version on there. Now it says please wait, and it's just loading. So at the moment, what's going to be happening is that the head is basically repositioning itself, it's initializing, resetting itself. So you might hear some noises over from this side. You might also hear some noises from the ink side as well. Now we've done that, it's actually set up, it's ready to roll. Now all it's asking you is to select your media. Now the reason why this one's asking me to select my material is because I have media loaded and I have my handle down. If my handle wasn't down, it wouldn't ask me to select my material. So that's our startup procedure for our Mimaki UCJV330 Series printer.